Right guys, so I was trying to update my BIOS on my B450 motherboard. I downloaded the file, went into QFlash, selected the file, and suddenly I got this error, BIOS ID check error. Now, if you are seeing this, don't worry, this is very common, especially if you are doing BIOS update for the first time. The reason behind this error is simple. Your motherboard is rejecting the BIOS file because it is not the correct one for your exact motherboard model. A lot of people make this mistake. Because when we search our motherboard name like B450 B2K, it looks correct, but there are different versions of the same motherboard, like Rev 1, Rev 2.0, and they look the same, but they are actually different. And if you download the wrong BIOS version, your motherboard will not accept the file and show this error in my case. My motherboard was Rev 2.0, but I downloaded a different version BIOS, so it failed. So what you need to do is go to the official website, search your exact motherboard model with the correct revision, and download the correct BIOS file. After downloading, make sure you extract the file. Do not use the zip file, and then copy the BIOS file into your USB drive. After that, restart your PC, press delete key to enter BIOS, open QFlash, select the BIOS file again, and this time you will see the option to start the update. Once you start it, your BIOS will update normally, and that's it, the error is completely fixed.